Hello, Tassoc designers, and I hope that you all had a wonderful break and a happy new year. I was a little sad to see that I didn't get to see all of your smiling faces day one of school, but here's what I've set up for you guys to do if you're not able to attend these weeks as things are getting resolved in the DRC. So, what you're going to do, instead of the current unit, I'm doing a mini unit with the students who are here about paper airplanes. You'll be able to work on a mini design with someone at home. Now, this could be a parent, this could be a grandparent, this could be a sibling. It can even be another student who's also in design class. You could both work on this together, but you are both going to have to fill out one of these individually. So, how this works with your mini design, as you are either in a different country or at your home of residence, I want you to be thinking of something that you can design that's not expansive. We're not going to go through the whole design cycle like we do in class, where I have you do extensive research, cite sources, etc., etc. I just want you to do something that could last maybe a day or a couple days at home. This could be getting a Lego kit, getting a model kit, building it with someone at home. You can research recipes and cook something that you've always wanted to try cooking. You could take apart a bicycle. You could create a board game at home if that's something you guys want to take home, similar to what we did before. There's several different possibilities. If your parents or siblings or someone around has a special knowledge of something, you could ask them how it works and go through the design cycle that way as well. So anything's on the table. You could talk to your parents about it, talk to your friends or family about it, and see if there's something that you guys want to do or see if there's something at home. Even if you guys have a popular family game that you like to play, you could redesign the rules, etc. And then here's all that you're going to need to do for your documentation. So, on your Google form, you'll have the name of the Tassoc designer. That's you, the Tassoc designer. Then the name of the partner. This could be more than one person. It could be one person. And then tell me what your design is. So what is it that you're going to be designing? All you have to do is with each phase of the design cycle. So you have inquiring and analyzing, developing ideas, creating a solution, and evaluating. Just do 1 to 4 sentences. You can do more if you want to, but this is all that's really required about how you use that step in your design. So you're not going to go through each individual step like we do in class. Like, did you go and research factual, conceptual, debatable questions? Were you finding out how things worked? You don't have to do all of that. Just something within the design that would fit into inquiring and analyzing in your opinion, in your own words. And you do that for each one of the different phases. Your parents have been sent an email. In that email, they do have a picture of the design cycle, or you can Google search the design cycle and do it that way. Afterwards, you have your partner respond. I know that you have all been waiting for your parents to have homework, and here's your opportunity to get them to have it. So, they get to respond here, and they just get to talk about what they learned and enjoyed while completing the design with you. And maybe you'll be teaching them a thing or two, because design hasn't been a class and hasn't been around for that long. So maybe you'll be teaching them some of the things that you know that they don't yet. And we all know that's always fun. So I hope this clarifies what you guys need to do. I was going to wait until later next week to post this, but a lot of students have been emailing me about what they need to do. They thought they had to go through the whole blog again. That's not it. This is the only documentation that you need. Once you have this, you're excused from the paper airplane unit, and we can just keep moving forward when you guys return. If you do return after the 21st, then you will still have to make up whatever design we're doing. But if you fill this out, you're completely excused from the paper airplane design that we're going to be doing over the next 2 weeks. So I hope that you guys all get to come in soon. Hope everything settles up here. I'll keep you updated with everything that's happening at school and everything that's happening in design through Google Classroom. And I hope that you all have a wonderful day. And if you need to contact me about grades, about this, send it to my email. The internet here isn't fast enough for me to continuously check all of the stuff on Google Classroom. It just takes a while for me to get into every class. So your best, most accurate way to contact me is through that email. And that's going to be chopkins@tassoc.net. You guys should have that by now. If not, you can go and ask somebody else. You could even, if you comment through Google Classroom, students can also comment on that as well. Or you could ask your parents. I did email all of them. So, hopefully this helps. Any other questions, feel free to email me, please. And then I hope that you all have a safe journey when you return, and you all enjoyed your holidays. See you later, Tassoc designers.